Have you ever noticed a brand claiming to be environmentally friendly, only to find out later that their actions don't match their words? If so, you've likely fallen victim to greenwashing. But what exactly is greenwashing, and why do companies do it? And more importantly, how can we as consumers identify it and make more informed choices? Stay tuned to learn about greenwashing. Greenwashing is the act of making false or misleading claims about the environmental benefits of a product, service, or company. It's a way for companies to appear eco-friendly and socially responsible, without actually taking any meaningful action to reduce their impact on the environment. There are a few reasons why companies engage in greenwashing. For one, it can be a cheap and easy way to appeal to consumers who are increasingly aware of and concerned about environmental issues. It can also help a company stand out in a crowded market and give them an edge over competitors. However, greenwashing is ultimately a form of false advertising and can be harmful to consumers and the environment. It can lead to consumers making purchasing decisions based on false or misleading information, and it can also distract from more significant issues that need to be addressed. So, how can we as consumers identify greenwashing? Here are a few tips. Look for specific, verifiable claims. If a company makes a claim about the environmental benefits of their product, make sure it is specific and can be verified. Check for third-party certifications. Look for certifications such as Energy Star, LEED, or Forest Stewardship Council, which can help verify the validity of a company's claims. Do your own research. Don't rely solely on a company's marketing materials. Do some digging to see if their actions match their words. By being more aware of greenwashing and taking the time to do our own research, we can make more informed purchasing decisions and support companies that are genuinely committed to sustainability. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about important concepts like this, be sure to subscribe to Weekly Concepts.